right, let's talk about those earnings from Johnson & Johnson. The company coming out with earnings of $2.82 a share. That's an 11 cents beat. The street was looking for $2.71. Revenue came in at $22.4 billion versus the $22.33 billion the street had been looking, so a beat on the top and the bottom line. Now, for the full year, the company is giving some guidance. They're talking about, based on the stronger than expected performance for the first half of the year, they're actually raising their own operational performance guidance for 2024, their expectations, by 5 cents a share. However, if you look at what they have to do from an accounting perspective to account for the completion of Shockwave, Proteologics, and the NM26 bispecific antibody transactions, they are going to be lowering the numbers that the street's expecting. They say that this is just an accounting change, and it's something that will not impact the companies, let's say, much less so in 2025. The SEC changed some accounting rules about 18 months ago, just in terms of how you have to account for some of these things. As a result, they're now looking for EPS guidance somewhere in the range of $10 to $10.10 a share. The accounting changes knock out about 68 cents a share. So it's going to look below what the street was anticipating. But again, they're saying because of accounting changes. When they first released this, you did see the stock down by more than 1%. Right now, though, I think probably as people are reading through some of this, stocks indicated up by about 1.3%. If you look at the performance again, this is a company that has 25 different products, 25 different platforms that are $1 billion or more in revenue. They say that 2/3 of those $1 billion or more platforms actually beat the consensus for the quarter. I think pharmaceutical was probably the key. They had 13 platforms there, 13 platforms that are $1 billion or more. 11 of them beat the consensus for this quarter. Had some that outperformed for the med tech level as well. But we'll be looking at those performance numbers. Now, there are a lot of other issues overhanging this stock, primarily some of the lawsuits associated with asbestos and with what you've seen with talcum powder. And we're going to be talking a lot more about that, too. It's been a long time overhang on the stock. If you're looking for the 1 year, it's off by about 3.8%. We will be speaking with the CEO, or with Joseph Woke. That is coming up just a little later this hour. The CFO coming up just a little hour later this hour. Joe Woke will be joining us to run through all of this. That's coming at 6:50 a.m. Eastern Time.